3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, how's it going? Hi. Today, I'm going to be going from this to this. This is a very special Dorothy Zbornak transformation video, courtesy of Cakeworthy. Now, okay, Cakeworthy are our sponsor today. They made this blouse, and they make really cute, like, Golden Girls clothes. You can check out the pictures, like, just check them out, they're really good. But this transformation really has nothing to do with Cakeworthy, except for the fact that I'm turning into one of the Golden Girls, probably my favorite Golden Girl, and her name is Dorothy Zbornak. So, let's get into it. Dorothy has these like really, she's known for her like really arched, prominent brows. So I'm gonna start by just glue sticking myself into submission. All right. I want to just talk a little bit about Golden Girls theory. Dorothy was always my favorite when I first started watching the show. And we sort of discovered that Dorothy as a character is the main character. And then by the end of the series, she evolves and she sort of comes into herself and like becomes a more fully realized person. I also really just love her because she's tall and she has a deep voice. The thing about the Golden Girls is, like, they're painted at all times. It's just sort of like classic TV paint, a little bit of 80s paint. Yes, they're laying in bed in full hair and makeup, but their makeup really is pretty standard and pretty understated. I don't do the like old age makeup when I do the Golden Girls. Like, yes, they're older women, but they were also, the reason B. Arthur loved the show so much was because she would always say in interviews, she was like, these aren't old grannies running around with canes, and you know, the main characters were glamorous, they were active, they were like sexy, they were going on dates, they looked great. So like, they were only in their 50s and their 60s in the show. So if you think about women today who are in their 50s and 60s, it's like, it ain't over. They were just painting really beautifully. So like, that's what I'm gonna do. Where is that thing I need? So I'm basing this look off of season 6, episode 22. It's called What a Difference a Date Makes. And this is one of our favorite episodes, mine and Jeremy's. We love this episode. I really like it. I suspect B. Arthur probably really liked it too because she got to date a really handsome guy. B. Arthur hated when they like made jokes about her like being ugly or being manly or like whatever. Like, she hated that. It really wore on her, and so she really had a great time when she got to like be the romantic lead in the season 6 like milieu. I think her like hair and makeup is my favorite. It's like her most soft and just like timeless. I invoke the spirit of the Zbornak. Let's powder it house down. I like to use neutral set, obviously. I'm gonna buff for like the mid-ranges. And then I use Anastasia Cappuccino Bronzer, which is like, I literally can't live without this product. And just a standard, I'm not going in too heavy because, like I said, she's just a successful, single, active woman in Miami in the 80s. So now I'm gonna put on some Cook Bars, which will catch any fall down from the eyeshadow. You know how it goes, gorge. You know what Cook Bars are, you know very well. Oh my god, not right now. Okay. Not now. Okay, I'm going to do an eyeshadow primer, MAC Prep and Prime. And it just really helps like get the intensity of whatever color you're using. This is the Kimchi palette. I mean, I've used it a lot because it's kind of the only palette you need. It's great for this type of eye. Really, Kimchi did a great job with this palette. I'm just gonna start out with a medium brown. It's called Toast. Like a light hint of a crease. Do some more toast on the bottom. Great. Now I'd like to do some like highlighting. Meatball did a collaboration with Hip Dot. There are so many amazing colors in here. And the white is really great. Like, everyone needs a great white eyeshadow at all times. Oh, eyeliner now? A little bit of a wing, but we'll blend it out. She just does like this ever so slightly in the waterline, which is just going to sort of tilt the eye. I want to blend out that wing, and I just like to blend it like into oblivion. It's like indicating where a crease would go. Probably a little darker than I would have liked, but you know what? We're doing drag. I would have liked it, but just not so much like makeup, you know? It's never happened. Okay, the very standard eye. She was doing a white in the eye, in the waterline as well, which is a classic TV thing. Now, she's gonna need eyebrows. And the thing about B. Arthur's eyebrows is they give her a lot of attitude. Let's just put it that way. Dorothy's got kind of an angry look, so I'm just gonna like start where the eyebrow starts and then just do like a really strict arch upward. Substitute teacher brow right there. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and set that with a dark brown. Clean that up with some good old concealer. Just set it with white eyeshadow. That arch is out of control. So here's the thing about lashes with the Golden Girls. When I first started watching the show, I always thought they're not wearing lashes. But now I think they were wearing lashes. They were just very, very slight lashes because it was the 80s. And the 80s was all about like very minimal like eyelash. Because you came from the 60s, which was very prominent, strong, huge eyelashes. Then it sort of went to 70s, which was like nothing. And then 80s came and it was just like blush. But the eyelashes were not really a thing like they are today. But, girl, I'm gonna wear a lash. I just need to figure out like what size is gonna be appropriate. I think this pair will be fun. Let's go ahead and do it, Tina. A tiny little pussycat lash. Making art isn't easy, but that's why I do it. I like to do brown pencil in my nose for fun. Well, because like powder gets stuck in there and like foundation gets in there and then you have like white nostrils. I just like to like darken them. Now, let's get crazy 80s right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Trixie Mattel blush palette, which I use all the time. The really crazy one, the nice daytime one, and then a shimmer one. I usually use this one, but today, oh my goodness. They wore so much blush on the Golden Girl. Okay. Tell me to stop. That's taking it there. She was wearing a red lip for this. And I don't even wear red lipstick, so I don't even have a red here, but let me go find one. Lipstick? I don't know. Is this a liquid lipstick? Fatal Apple? So I'm gonna use this one. It's called Spicy, but it's sort of orangish. It's not like true Hollywood red. It's more like an understated red, because Dorothy is very understated. Not red at all, but it's fine. So this is like electric neutral. Now another detail to really take it to Dorothy Zbornak town is eyeballs, because she has really dark black eyes. I like them for stage, just in general, because they're my favorite color of eyes. Like, it's like a cartoon character, like just like black dots for eyes. Blink, blink. Fierce-alicious definition. Now we can get into like the hair. This hair honestly has seen better days. Basically anything can be done with some got to be glued spray and the teasing comb. So let's like go for it. Put my mullet away really quick. Okay. She sort of has these little wings that go down like this. Yeah, it's sort of taking it there. It's taking me to Dorothy. Now, it's time for the outfit. This is an outfit that the character Dorothy wears a whole bunch of times in the show throughout the whole series. She feels really sexy and beautiful in this outfit. Let's do it. Hello? Why, John, I heard you called. What a pleasant surprise.
I do you a favor. You do me a favor. Ma, would you get off the other line? No, I will not have a nice day.
So there you have it. Oh my god. Now, I love it. Look at the, oh my god, it's just, oh my god, I love this outfit. I can see why she loved it so much. This was actually a recreation done by my dear friend Dallas Coulter. She's amazing. They don't make shoulder pads big enough, so these are actually t-shirts. I believe one of them is a Valentina t-shirt that I rolled up and safety pinned inside. So it's always like limp wrist.
Ma, alright, ma.
I want to thank you so much for watching and tuning in. It has been great fun, as always, transforming into Dorothy Zbornak. Girl, check out Cakeworthy. They have really fun new Golden Girls garments. Check them out, and we thank them very much, and we thank you very much. Thank you for being a friend.
Hello?
Hi, it's me, Stan.